This is an instant camera and photo printer in one. Okay, did you hear me? I'm going to show you how it's used. Okay, it's actually really, really cool. Hey everybody, welcome back to All the World's Ills. It's me, Dolly Prada. We have a tech review today. This video is sponsored by Kodak. We are going to be unboxing the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Era. This is the cartridge bundle. I'll go ahead and link this down below so that you can purchase if you're interested, if you like what you see. Let's go ahead and get straight into this. It takes a USB-C charger to charge, and it does come with a limited 1-year warranty on the photo printer and the cartridge. Always keep these valuable information. Make sure you keep it just because, especially for this warranty and stuff like that. This is so cute. It's so cute. This is the yellow and black edition, right? So the Kodak Mini Shot 3 Era. The main thing about this is that it's a instant camera and a photo printer. We're used to Kodak with the instant cameras or the photo printers, but this is a 2-in-1. So yes, you still have the ability to link this up using the instructions, link this up with your phone and print things out, okay? But you also have the ability to take pictures with it and then print out those pictures. It's literally a 2-in-1. It's super, super awesome. It says a 3.7mm lens. It's a 1.77-inch LCD. It's very nice. It does not detach or anything like that. It doesn't look like you can screw anything on it. It's completely fine. It comes with a flash as well as this little mirror right here so you can see yourself in the front. That's how I was able to make such a cute picture, because I was able to see myself. So that's really, really nice right there. You have the Kodak symbol right here. This is the model. It's the MS300. I was so nervous because it said yellow and it came out and I thought that was it. And then it went back in and I was very surprised by that. But that is such a really cool feature. It's such a cool feature that you're seeing the whole process happen right away, and then it comes out just like this. As you see, this is where the picture comes out. You can also put like one of those tassel things on here so you can hold it up by the wrist, a charger, and a reset button right here on the side. And underneath is where we put our cartridge. It also comes with two 3x3 cartridges. It just snaps right out. Easy and perfect. That's awesome. It goes right in. Very, very easy to assemble. Snap. And you're all good to go. I really like this. I like that it's so easy to use. It's very super cute to carry. It might be on the large side for some people. It's a really cool thing to have. It's something cool to take with you anywhere. And the pictures come out very quickly. I wasn't sitting there for too long. I just was shocked because I'd never seen it. It was my first time. But something like that, I'd be like, yeah, let's take a couple pictures. Boom, boom. And then you can do copies and stuff too. So if you all take a really nice group picture and people want multiple copies, on the spot, like, you are on demand. Your photo print on demand. Okay, this is absolutely cute. They have a ton of different other styles, sizes, and things like that, models. I'll go ahead and make sure that I link those down below. But this one right here is a Mini Shot 3 Era MS300, and I definitely recommend this. And again, thank you so much to Kodak for collaborating with me. I hope that you all have a blessed day. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all that great stuff. Share this with somebody who's interested in checking out a Polaroid camera, a really cool instant camera and portable digital printer, and it's a 2-in-1 for real. Okay.